Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know, this is a girl unruly Shawna, and yeah, me day in my kitchen once more again. What me I cook today, people? Me there brown through some beef. Yeah, see the nice pot, right? That's all. And it's a rice pot. Yeah, yeah. It's a rice pot. So yes, guys, right? That's all. See it there. So yes, Shawna, help me out today in the kitchen. Go on, me glad feel like help you, man.
We have to fall in and give and roll it all cook. I'm in my place, you see it?
Yep.
Deal with this too big, you know? Don't know if we set things set already. Make sure say the food prepared proper, you know?
Yes, we have the ingredients, the people we season everything. Yeah. Feel like I never fry a piece of that chicken that you know.
Nah, man.
Yeah, man.
I will set that up.
So yes, people, yeah, you don't know we the ripe on the front. We are going to look like the outside view to see them way. Yes, my back brethren they just pass and hear me up. Yeah. Right up on the front with it, you see me? And holy shot.
Yes, my people. Unruly style, you know? Don't know. Go on to the view of the place too, you know, make you know the place, you know?
Okay.
See, big chef there in the kitchen, my people.
Yep. I don't know, yeah. I'm really there.
So where you going with?
I know some day I go and chef up the thing, man. It's my regular thing, you see me?
You see what them do? What you do with them there?
Them here are scallion. I peel off the scallion because when we start making the beef, I will put them here in there to make it fresher alongside with the beef. You see me? Come love my natural seasoning. Not only like my natural seasoning. You see me? So I will do this now. Peel off this and this. I put a bit of thyme in there too. And 2 more pieces head of garlic. Pressure them already. Yeah, go on with Sean. Boy, people, me know say from the other day, you not really see me I put up my video, but me don't want to worry on myself enough, because I know the Sean there to steer. Me not go nowhere, you see me? There's only see 1 2 video, 1 little video with me a month or so, you see me? Just know say, you soon see me, and anytime I start drop back no more video, you know say a bang of video me I drop, you see me? Yeah man, for real.
Yes, my people, a big chef in a man. Unruly style, you know.
So yes guys, this is my ingredients that I'm gonna use to cook down my beef. So here I have carrot, scallion, no, this is thyme, sweet pepper, Irish, onion, scallion, and we have tomato here. And down at the bottom here we have some garlic and pimento seed. So that's the ingredients I'm gonna use to cook down my beef. So let me show you the rice pot over here. The rice pot. This is the rice pot, guys. Yep, that's the rice pot. And this is the beef. See it right now? It's ready for the seasoning them right now. So I'm gonna throw them in. And right here, so over here, so Sean there, so I make some carrot juice with ginger. See it right there, so the blender there. I'm not finished doing my still see my rinse off the
Ginger.
ginger there. So yes, guys. Yes. So yes, then I'm gonna just put this in there now. So yes guys, I finished cooking now. I know I never shown everything still, but this is my finish look. So this is the brown stew beef with the rice and peas and raw veg. This is it also. Sean, you want to taste of the food and tell me what I want? Tell me how food tastes.
Yeah, man, rice and peas, ready, man.
And the beef.
Yes, no, I see what I want. Perfect, man.
Alright, yeah. So I get a feedback there. And this is the juice now, guys. This is the carrot juice. Yeah. Nice carrot juice. So this is it, guys. Nice carrot juice.
So I don't understand it.
So yes guys, see carrot juice there, rich and healthy.
Straight carrot and ginger.
So this is just carrot and ginger, nothing else.
Real natural with a little bit of sugar in there, you know, really sweet.
Just a little bit of sugar.
A little bit of sugar.
Yeah man. Okay, nice so. Sit down right so and I look at taking them nice sea view them man and I drink some nice carrot juice, eh?
Real natural
nice.
drinks, my people. You see it look? And me make it, man. We have it touch, you know? Why it tastes scared?
Bad man. Refreshing and nice.
You know, I just put a little bit of sugar.
Just a little bit of sugar, guys.
Yeah, man.
That.
Real carrot juice, this my people. Nah, lie, you know, this is juice I don't want to taste.
Can't taste the ginger in there. So guys, you know what? I'm gonna eat some of my food and make you see me to yeah man. Yeah man. No joke. So yes people, I taste of the food now and make you know how it tastes from my part.
Now we really food this my people.
Yeah man.
Real native coconut and rice and peas. Can taste it. Now the vegetable, especially the vegetable, nice too. A big chunky piece that we can just put in your mouth and eat.
Cucumber. You know if you cut it
I just was no nice cucumber.
Say if somebody not like you, then you can easily take it out. Mm.
The food is perfect, my people. You can't put in no other. I
Yeah, man.
swear.
So people,
And tell me already. And it was a perfect back and get. I don't know bragging thing. You know
Whoa.
I taste that food. I swear. No bragging. You just want to pass through and give Unruly a call and come and make a stop and taste the food. Because she
Yeah,
can't cook
man.
it for anybody, you know. Anybody that come on. I don't know if you do the call until I know.
and the number is if no one call. The number is 570-6930. Unruly Shawna. Mm-hmm.
With some of them perfect juice, we make all kind of fruit juice too. Actually, right now we're gonna make us start see them juice more regular, man. All kind of juice will be.
Biden says self-praise is no recommendation, but brother, oh man.
Nice for you, man.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know bragging thing.
Mm.
See why something
Nah,
people?
man.
Here, look.
Yeah.
Eh? Bad.
Yeah. Bad man.
Now the vegetable, perfect. Me I tell you, my people. Everything just nice about that food.
Yeah, man. So, peep.
Make sure you like up the video and subscribe. And you will share nothing, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Sure the love, man, because you don't know the thing global, you know. Yeah, man, I want to stop by and taste up some of them food. Because me alone don't feel eat them food. Them food that feel go global. I swear. Yeah, man.
No joke. Me tell a man. Food bad man. Brother? You can't believe say.
I no joke.
You know can't cook your cook still enough. Yeah.
I no joke, man. Because we go buy food all about, you know, my people. So we know when food tastes good, you know. You see
Which
me?
is right. True.
Mm-hmm.
So people don't forget to go over to Unruly Shawna page and just like up the video, subscribe. Because from now on, I'm going to start dropping one video every day. No joke about that. I don't ask me from the other day still, but I don't worry myself. I don't ask me more often now. Yeah. So here we now. Now I finish eat that food there. You see me? So here we big up on yourself. And I'm out. Yeah, so now.
Up top.
Big up all of my day one supporter them, you see me? Big up on yourself. They don't know Unruly Shawna love you know. Peace out.